Well, quite a disappointing harvest of garlic this year. I've cleaned them all up and quite a few small ones. It's barely even worth picking that. To I think the largest ones around about that size. So size wise quite small, and there was a couple with white end rot, onion rot at the bottom of them, but there they all are. That's what we've got, but we'll be able to make good use of all them. And I don't know what to do with that bed now because of the white rot. I was going to plant my leeks in it, but if there's some sort of disease that affects alliums and leeks and onions, then I don't really want to be putting more alliums in that bed. So I'll need to think of where I'm going to put my leeks. But there you go, that's this year's garlic harvest. They're quite good, reasonable size. Let's see, I'll open one up. Not easy to do single-handed, but we'll give it a try. There we go. There's the size of the beans inside. So, broad bean harvest. I'll leave the others on until they get bigger. I don't know whether the plant's going to flower again after me taking those off. but we'll give it a chance and see what happens. Peas are almost ready. There's a few. Let's see if we can find one. This one here seems fat enough. Nice and sweet. See, I'll put the camera down and open this up properly. So these can be given up a little bit longer to swell up a little bit more, but I'm going to have these right now.